Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss how to create Blove network account on iPhone and Android phone. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, you have to open up your Play Store and App Store and then search for Blove network. So download this app. I'm already downloaded, so open that, and then as you can see guys, email or username password. So you don't have create an account, so tap on this sign up and then give it your phone number. So give it your email address and then give it your first name and last name and then give it your username. So I'm giving my username and then give it your passcode. So give it again. So scroll down, as you can see guys, refer code you want to give it your refer code. I'm giving this one. So you give it this one, UXYVQG. So tap on this and then tap on sign up. As you can see guys, this phone number has already been taken. So I'm already create the below account. You don't have created, you is typing a sign up and your account will be created. So that's it guys for today video. If the video helpful, please like, subscribe my channel. You have a problem, let me know in the comments. I help you more. Thanks for watching.